Hey, I'm James from J Technology, and we are back here at NAMM 2019 at the Anaheim Convention Center, and right now we are here at the Zoom booth. So we have Dennis Arkali. He's going to go over the Q2n-4K handy camera video recorder.
Yeah, so this is the Q2n-4K. It's our newest video camera, our newest handheld video camera. So our previous device, the Q2n, we focused on creating a very low-cost, entry-level camera that has great sound for musicians, YouTubers, vloggers, anyone who really needs an entry-level option with great audio. So you don't need an external microphone or anything, all built into the device. With Q2n-4K, we wanted to increase the value of that package by adding 4K video recording to the device.
Cool. So what features do you have on here?
So the device has a pair of XY microphones, which capture great audio, directional audio. The device also has a number of HDR presets. So we had scene settings in the original Q2n. So what we decided to do was add high dynamic range technology to make those scene settings even more vibrant and more powerful.
What is the largest size SD you can put on here?
The Q2n-4K supports up to 256 gigabyte micro SD cards, and the Q2n-4K with SD cards 64 gigabytes or larger will record unbroken video files. So no limits to no 4 gigabyte limits that a lot of other cameras have. The device will record continuously, potentially for hours, when you're hooked up to AC power. And you'll get a single video file that you can easily upload to YouTube or some other social media service.
Cool. And what do you get with the package here?
So the Q2n-4K comes with the camera itself, a lens hood, a lens cap, and a set of batteries for the device. An optional purchase is our BC Q2n, which is a small battery pack that can attach to the bottom of the device and connects over USB to provide additional power.
And I noticed the tripod here. Is that part of the kit?
It's not part of the kit, but it is a tripod that we sell separately. So this is the Manfrotto Pixie tripod that we have branded with our Zoom logo. So that's also available as well.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Thank you.